Good morning, everyone. It's the 30th of December. Today, 2018. Oh my gosh, it's so grabe. Ano na lang, one day to go and it's going to be 2019 na. So, me and Rookie are going to buy some foodie for the new year but not a lot kasi ang dami pang foodie, ang daming party na inatin na ni mother. Dami siyang dalang mga foodie and empatcho na kami. So, we are going to try to find fish kasi the whole week puro na lang baboy. So this time yung last Christmas isa lang yung fish. And yeah, we are planning to make sweet and sour fish fillet. Hopefully makahanap kami ng fish today. We are going to the wet market to find fish. Grabe, traffic ba? And we are going also to buy some, mga stock. Hindi marami yung guys, lutuin namin sa New Year kasi nga we are still very full from Christmas. Wala kami dito sa nandito kami sa Pardo. Change location, guys. Dere kamuti dir. Oh, napili tao. Nani?
Ilang buwan?
40 kabo. Taray. Snack na ka?
Oh.
Me, I'm gonna buy there sa Dunkin' Donuts. Here sa Gaisano, we're here sa Bruce Pharmacy kasi bibili si Rookie ng something. Lo, ano nangyari sa mo eh? Lo, wala katukuan. Katubang murag na yung mocha ba? Wala dahil sila ka ng char. Ay, mocha nila, mocha marble. Ito yung fave ko. Pero katungkuan ba? Premium donuts. Ay, di ko ba? Katubang na murag kuan ba? Katunay murag. Oh my god, my donut! I've been craving to eat donuts, from Dunkin' Donut. Kasi wala yung mga premium snack. Palitan tiga atong cream cheese. Sige na, 35 ramang good to. Filler do kay this Rookie. So yeah, I'm so happy. Last night, I've been watching mukbang. Not mukbang na cheat day and they were eating donuts. Paalis na kami. Wow, sorry for the kuan. Yeah, and here's my Dunkin'. I'm gonna eat. I'm so excited to eat my Dunkin' Donut. Alangan, nundagan mo ka itong katong last good over kay siya. So we are heading home now. So happy to see us. Wait lang kay makuan ng kuan. Uwi! Finally, nakarating na rin kami sa wakas. Mahangin. I think merong bagyo. Yeah. Tapos, hindi ko pa nakakain yung mga dogs. Wait lang ha. Kaya magkuha sa amin sa mga kuan ha. Uy, excited yung kayo na eh. Kaluoy siya doon yung mga dogs siya. Uy, kaluoy. They're so happy. They're so happy. La, sige, simuta dyan ko pa kayo. Din man ko. Awe? Din man ko eh. Gonna feed the dogs kasi hindi pa sila. Ang hirap naman ito. Tapos yung ulam nila is this one guys. Grabe. Lechon. Miguel likes the lechon and this one to yung parang humba. Tapos ininit ko lang konti kasi natulog na sa ref. Tapos ate is cooking junk. This one. Always eating junk you. Grabe oh, yung lechon. So I just had my donut guys. It was so grabe. Amazing. I think I'm going to separate that video kasi medyo mahaba yun. Mga 9 minutes yata. So I'm gonna upload it separately from this vlog. Yan. So yan. I'm so full but I'm still drinking my trusty coffee. Only coffee and cream. Very little cream. Ayan. So here's what's left of the donut. I ate one of this, I ate one of this, I ate half of this, I ate the mocha marble, and I had the mocha marble. So all in all, I ate like mga 4 donuts. Yeah, that's all I could eat guys. I am eating Nilagang mani. Ang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng nilagang mani. While, ito, yeah, there's me and my big mouth. Grabe, ang sarap. After eating the donut, this is the best. I cannot open this with one hand. Oh my god, the struggle. Struggle, struggle. So, grabe, ang ingay ni Maui doon. Kanina pa siya, hindi siya matawid. So, finally, I will be making our fruit salad. Simple lang naman yung fruit salad. You have to, yung ingredients ko is very simple lang. Yeah, mabilis lang na fruit salad. So, I already chopped and prepared everything that I need. So, what I need to do is to, mix everything. It's my fruit salad ingredients. So, eto, nata di coco, grapes, fruit cocktail, cheese, mango, and nata di coco lang kasi ayaw namin ng kaong kasi matigas yun. And then, Nestle cream, all-purpose cream. So, yan lang. Tapos, I'm going to mix everything. Tapos, yan. Very simple, quick and easy fruit salad. Finally, I'm done. Si Rookie na yung tumapos ng kasi it's his chores na macaroni. Taga-mix lang naman po siya. Oy, I did the what?
I do the taste.
Filler, why is it that my arms look so iwi on the camera? Okay, I'm so tired. I'm just going, kakaano ko lang, wait lang, kakasit down ko lang and Nagpainit ako ng water kasi I'm gonna drink coffee and I'm gonna eat another donut. Yeah, so, and at the same time, I'll be saying good night na kasi hindi na talaga kaya. I'm so tired na. Kanina pa ako naka-stand up. So, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day. As always, uy! Today is December 30, 31 na bukas. It's almost New Year's Eve na bukas. So, yeah, pretty excited. So, yeah, hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you in my next video. Hopefully, 2019! Yay! Happy New Year!